Stop persistent hiccups with this diaphragm calming frequency. Medical researchers found 12.5 Hz waves reset diaphragm spasms. This frequency calms involuntary muscle contractions. Chronic hiccup sufferers find instant relief. Put on your headphones and experience the hiccup cure that always works. Relax and let the frequency play. Can you feel it? No more hiccups. This is just one frequency. Get access to our complete library of 58+ healing frequencies and exclusive protocols free at tonehealing.com.